exactly is DevCon and how did the partnership with ICT come about?
DevCon is the Philippines' largest community of developers, IT enthusiasts in the Philippines. Actually, we started from the countryside. The photos you're seeing are events in the last 16 months. We aspire to bring
Wow.
the best of the global best practice of technology and community building with the amazing community leaders that you're seeing now with Laguna, with Iloilo. But we're also active in Bacolod, Bukidnon, Iligan. Bukidnon was recently announced lang noong June 29 to 30 sa Mindanao Summit. Sa Luzon, hopefully Central Luzon in the coming months. Legazpi was launched last year. That's where I met si Nelson pala in person sa isang event ng Legazpi na wala pang DevCon Legazpi. DevCon, we are tech agnostic and
Oh.
we
Mhm.
can partner with other technology communities like Web3, AI, or any future technology open source. We can bring it
Mhm.
whatever is relevant for the community.